Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off scroll lock in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my Microsoft Excel and I'm going to move from one cell to another with the arrow keys. Right now I'm pressing my arrow keys, but as you can see I cannot move from one cell to another. And if you are facing this problem, don't worry guys, because here I want to give you the tips to disable the scroll lock. If you want to disable the scroll lock, or if you want to move from one cell to another cell with the arrow keys, you have to turn off the scroll lock on your keyboard. You have to check your keyboard and press the scroll lock and make sure that the scroll lock is not active. But if you don't have the scroll lock the scroll lock key on your keyboard, you can go to your on-screen keyboard. Just type in the on-screen keyboard, and then as you can see guys that the scroll lock is active and we have to turn it off. So you need to turn it off. And I'm going to check it. I'm going to move from one cell to another with my arrow key, and now it's done. Alright guys, and that's all the way to disable the scroll lock in Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.